Matching credenza here behind you.
Wow.
And then here behind my lady here is the Oscar when he's mayor. And you'll see, so now he's at City Hall, same desk, and then he's out of the throne at that point.
So what's the history of Oscar? He represented the mob?
Yeah, he moved here in '65 with his wife Carolyn, and long story short, he got tied in with the mob and just was really good at it, right?
Yeah.
He was shy at first, but kind of grew into himself and got to be friends and with judges and other attorneys and learned his way and cut his teeth and they gave him a set of steel balls for a reason, right?
And
they
then
gave him information, right? They wanted to see his financials, and he didn't give it up. He was going to go to prison. He was willing to, and the mob said, "Listen, you're not going to do us any good in prison, so give them what they want."
So then he became the mayor.
And then he became the mayor in '99. Yeah, after he retired from being the attorney, he did the movie Casino. And then he became the mayor from '99 to 2012, and then his wife Carolyn became the mayor up until 24.
Wow.
So he's known the two of them 25 years.
No kidding. Wow, that's incredible.
Has anybody told you that you actually look?
Oh my gosh, every night. He
Okay.
loves
Yeah,
it.
you see the resemblance in the
Yeah,
picture.
completely.
Is he still with us?
He's 87 yesterday. Yeah.
Wow.
Yesterday.
Oh, happy birthday.
Where does he live at? He lives here in
He lives
Vegas?
at 5 minutes away. Same house. It's called the development's called Scotch 80s.
That's
And that's
wonderful.
where Steve Wynn has